Here's why you should drink water stored in a matka rather than a refrigerator. It keeps the water naturally cold. Drinking cold water from a refrigerator can actually cause itchiness in the throat and can give you cold and cough. Whereas when you store water in a clay pot, it will make the water naturally cold. Drinking water stored in a matka will boost your metabolism. It will keep you healthy because of all the nutrients and minerals present in it. It is alkaline in nature, which means that it will maintain the pH level in your body, which will keep acidity at bay. Maintains the glucose level in the body, preventing you from heat strokes.